Hello everyone, I'm Richard Brown and I'm at the Flint River Aquarium here in Albany, Georgia, and today we are feeding our octopus and our cuttlefish, and I thought you might like to see some of it. This is a little female Octopus vulgaris that we got from Well Specimen Marine Lab in Panacea, Florida, and we're going to give her some shrimp today. So this is her first shrimp, and this one went pretty easy. We put the shrimp in there, and she does what an octopus is supposed to do. She sees it, she goes for it, she jumps on it, and she pulls it under her mantle, and she starts eating it. They have a kind of a parrot's beak that they use to eat their food with, and so she just started in on it. Now this second shrimp didn't go so well. And the reason I thought you'd be interested in it is all the different types of propulsion she used to get it, and all the color changes and everything that she went through. Now you can see she's using her suckers right now to crawl all across the tank, and there's our shrimp down there in the bottom. She's looking for it. Hasn't quite figured out where it is yet. There she goes. But she missed. Okay, so there's a lot of that. And so she tries over here, and she jumps across the tank, and she's using her jet propulsion, and she's trying to nail that shrimp. Won't quite get it. And you notice one of her arms is a little shorter than the others. She was in a battle with another octopus, probably, and lost two arms, so she's really sort of a hexapus. Except she is growing them back, so you can see two smaller arms, the top left arm and the bottom right side fourth arm are both a little shorter. And you can see how even her suckers are. That's kind of how you know it's a female. Males have some suckers that are a lot bigger than the others. And they also have what they call a hectocotylus, which is the third right arm they always keep curled, and it's got a spade-shaped tip on it too. Anyway, so she's going after that shrimp, and I want you to watch the color changes that she goes through and see how her skin prickles up and everything. It's great camouflage. You can see those two arms really well right now. You can see her crawling across the glass. And here the shrimp is a little bit, it's closer to us. I'm going to focus in on it. There he is. She's beginning to figure out where it is, and I'm kind of helping her along a little bit. I'm kind of tapping on the glass and trying to show her. Come over here. And of course the shrimp leaves. This is one of the smartest shrimp I've run across. Everybody loves shrimp, even shrimp loves shrimp. So you see her coming up from the bottom again. Now we all got kind of frustrated, including the octopus, the shrimp, and us. And so we started using a algae scraper to kind of help her out. She sees the algae scraper, she always dives for that too. Those little white things floating around in the water are translucent discs that cover the suckers, and they occasionally have to shed them. So that's part of what they do to maintain their sucker system, is flush those off every now and then. Here we go. We're going to help her out a little bit. And she finally gets close enough and gets actually one of her suckers on that shrimp, and that's really all she needs, and boom, she's got it. tucked out under her mantle. See how red she is right now? And then she comes to the shell and she's going to kind of change to the color of the shell. It's pretty amazing. Now this is one of our cuttlefish, and I apologize for the focus here, but you can really see the fact that he's changing color kind of with the waves on the top of the tank, and they have chromatophores that expand and contract and should help them change color, and they can do it at the same rate that they're swimming, or the same rate that the bottom is changing, the bottom of the ocean is changing as they swim over it. And here's one of the cuttlefish, and we're getting ready to feed them some shrimp, and they know it. They can kind of sense what's going on. He's even looking at you. Sometimes they'll spit water at you, leaving it at the top of the tank, trying to hint that they want you to feed them. Notice the different colors that they have too. Aaron just threw in the shrimp. Boom. Missed. But you can see the ink that's being released, and he finally got one. And they got to get two more.
One of them didn't like that. Here goes another shrimp.
What you're going to see right now is the cuttlefish using its true tentacles to catch the shrimp. This is as opposed to the arms of the octopus or the other arms of the cuttlefish. Takes a shot at it and he drops it. And one of his friends who already has a shrimp comes in and tries to take it. He got it. And these came to us from the Tennessee aquarium. And you may notice, you may have seen some of the videos we did when they were smaller. You may see how big they've gotten. They're about 4 or 5 inches long now. Really growing quite well. Well, thanks for viewing.
You have a little problem when they start fighting over them. Sometimes they eat each other instead of just the shrimp.